Hello, math students. We are still working on measurement T 4.8, where we're going to solve problems using customary measurements. Now, we've learned about customary measurements on how to measure inches, feet, yards, and miles. We've learned about cups, quarts, pints, gallons. So we are going to look at some problems and how to solve them. Let's take a look here. So I see here, it says, a wild bird feeder holds 8 cups of bird seed. How many times can this feeder be filled from a 3-gallon container of bird seed? Solve this problem any way you choose. So I see it says 8 cups. I see it says 3-gallon. Now these words are very important because cups do not equal gallon. So it says, how many times can this feeder be filled from a 3-gallon container of birdseed? So I need to know how many cups are in 3 gallons. So I'm going to put 3 gallons equals how many cups? Because we must convert or change our 3 gallons into cups that we know. And we're going to start with what we know. So I see over here, they have a nice chart for us. 1 pint equals 2 cups, 1 quart equals 2 pints, 1 gallon equals 4 quarts. Oh goodness, that seems like so many numbers. I'm going to draw a cool little thing here to help myself out. It is going to be a big capital G. And I'm going to draw 4 quarts in my G. The G is for gallons. I'm going to draw quarts. This is just a picture that will help me figure this problem out. 1 quart equals 2 pints, so I got to have 2 pints in each quart. And then 1 pint equals 2 cups, so I'm going to put 2 C's in each one, because we're going all the way from cups to gallons and gallons to cups. And cups are the smallest one, and gallons are the biggest one. So it could be a little bit tricky. So that's why this picture is just so great, because it helps you really see how many cups are in a gallon. So how many cups in a gallon? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, so that tells me that 1 gallon equals 16 cups. Okay, and remember I said before, we want to write that right above our question. So I'm going to rewrite it up here. 1 gallon equals 16 cups. Then I'm going to circle what we want to know. We want to know cups. So I'm going to draw my arrow. We're going from gallons to cups. And I see we have 1 gallon and 16 cups, and our number is getting bigger. So when it gets bigger, what do? You are exactly right. We multiply. So if I take 1 times 16, I'm going to get 16 cups. So that means if I want to know how many cups are over here, then I'm also going to multiply by 16. So I'm going to take 16 times 3. 6 times 3, 18. Carry the 1. 1 times 3 is 3, plus 1 is 4. So that tells me 3 gallons equals 48 cups. Is that the answer to our problem? Let's go back and look. It says, how many times can this feeder be filled from a 3-gallon container of birdseed? I remember the wild birdseed feeder holds 8 cups. So they want to know how many times can they fill it using 8 cups. So we have not answered our question yet, because we found out that we have 48 cups of birdseed, but we need to know if the bird feeder holds 8 cups, how many times can we fill it? So that would be, I now see that we have 48 cups, but we want to know 8 cups, and that's smaller. We're not going to have more than 48 cups because that's all we have. We have 3 gallons of birdseed. So since our number is not going to get bigger than 48, we're going to have to divide. If our number is not going to be bigger than 48, we're going to divide. How many times can 8 go into 48? And I just love the multiplication chart for dividing. Because what I do is I put my finger on the 8 on the divisor. I'm going to slide it across till I find a number equal to or slightly less than 48. Oh, if we look right there, I see 48. So that means there's not going to be a remainder. 8 is going to go in there perfectly. So then what I'm going to do, I'm going to make sure I slide it straight up. 6. 8 times 6 is 48. So that means 48 divided by 8 is going to be 6. So I'm going to put the 6 up here. 6 times 8 is 48. Now I'm going to subtract 48 minus 48 is 0. I'm going to check a 0 less than 8. Yes, it is. So that means I could fill that bird feeder 6 times. That's a lot of bird food for all those little tweets. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I hope that you have a wonderful day and have some happy converting with your cups, your gallons, with your inches and yards, and with your ounces and pounds. Have a great day.